Hello everyone, my name is Zafir, and today we will have a great opportunity to grow our deposit using an RSI indicator strategy. With this indicator, we will look for the best entry points for trades to achieve stable results. If you want to trade more confidently and easily, stay with me. Let's get started. Let's begin with the Euro-Swiss franc currency pair. We can see that the RSI indicator is trending downward and approaching the 30 level, but it hasn't reached it yet. This is a clear signal that the price will likely continue to decrease. I'm entering a sell trade with an amount of $100 on a 2-minute time frame. Great result! The price moved in the right direction and we are already seeing a profit. Let's continue with another trade. Now let's look at the Australian dollar-Swiss franc pair. I see that the RSI is in the middle zone and moving up, approaching the 70 level. This indicates increasing demand for the asset, and our further price rise is likely. I'm entering a buy trade with an amount of $192 on a 2-minute time frame. We are delighted with the second result. The trade closed in profit and our balance increased to $368. The RSI indicator did not let us down again. Let's move to the next trade. Friends, if you like strategies like this and want to receive useful trading ideas, be sure to join our Telegram channel. There I share not only strategies but also useful trading tools, including our trading bot that generates high accuracy signals. The link is in the description. So go ahead and use the bot for more confident trading. Now it's time for a trade on the Australian dollar-Canadian dollar currency pair. We see that the price has reached a resistance line and the RSI indicator shows a potential reversal. We are right at the resistance they are shown, and with a 2 minutes time frame the candle has a good chance of reversing downward. I'm entering a sell trade with an amount of $368. Once again, great news! The trade closed in profit and our balance reached $677. The RSI indicator worked excellently here as well, helping us pinpoint the entry point and replenish our deposit again. Today we have demonstrated how to confidently find entry points and generate profits using the RSI indicator. If you like this approach, subscribe to the channel and check out our Telegram, where you can find our trading bot with the accurate signals for trading. I wish everyone good luck and successful trades. See you next time!